Hello, and welcome to A Garden in Devon Season 2. Today, my friends, we are planting all of these flowers and plants that my landlady and I bought for 75% off at a local garden center that was getting rid of all of their stock pretty much. So some of them are a little withered, but hopefully they'll survive. But I'm trying to make like a design, like a plan, but and I don't have the names of these plants right in front of me here, so I can't tell you. But in that garden plot over yonder there, I had planned to do like one of those red plants in each corner, but somehow we only got 3, unlike those other plants over there, which are kind of green and reddish. And I'll get the names of all these shortly. I just don't know my flowers and plants, I'm sorry. But I've got 4 of those, so I can do 4 corners there and then one in the center. And yeah, then there's a whole bunch of little guys that are in these, like, I think they're called plugs. And I haven't really transplanted plugs before. There's a bunch of them, so I'm kind of trying to save that to the last. But I will get it done. And yeah, we will have some plants growing in these gardens. And of course that is good for the fall when they die, and they make good mulch. And then just being planted there, of course, their roots will go down, and the soil and the worms and all that great activity that happens when you garden to make your soil a little more hospitable to plants and growing things. So yeah, so just trying to get some organics into the places where I lost out because critters took the seeds, and planting in just some random plants and flowers that are not perennials or annuals. They will be just here till the fall and do their thing. And like I said, that in the fall they'll die off and become mulch, and next year we'll have some better organics in my gardens. So I will update this video once I have finished, and you can see the outcome of my mad plot. Alright, like, subscribe, and share, my friends, and we'll see you later today. Alright, my friends, welcome back to Garden in Devon Season 2. And let's see, read them all in here. There we go. I just about have everything planted. I just gotta plant these ground cover plants somewhere. I'm in amongst all of these other ones. But yeah, so I tried to do like a pattern, like red, 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 but I didn't have one for that corner. So and then there were these white ones. Yeah, we only had 3 of those as well. So I don't know, I suppose I could transplant later maybe, but doubtful. But it is what it is, and we get stuff growing in there, and that's the important thing. So yeah, I just gotta throw these other ones in the ground, and then I'm done for the day. Done in the garden. I've been out here since about 10 o'clock in the morning, weed whacking and weed pulling, and then prepping everything for getting all these plants in. So, but I'm quite happy with how it's gone, even though I'm sweating. I'm trying to keep hydrated. It's about 27 degrees Celsius today here in Atlantic Canuckia. And yeah, I'll show you when it's all done. And hopefully these will all take and live and be happy. Happy plants. Like I will be happy if you like, subscribe, and share. Do that, my friends, right now.